Yesterday, when I told my son with excitement that I was going to be speaking at his alma mater's convocation ceremony, he kindly reminded me that despite the honor, it was still expected to reach 90 degrees out, and more than anything I say, people will remember how long I spoke. So nothing like an experienced high school graduate to keep you modest. That being said, it is truly both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as we embark on one of the most important chapters in our school's life. This year is the year of new beginnings. And it is not just a catchy phrase, it's a reality. We are all living with the privilege to welcome a new head of school, someone who will guide us into a new era full of exciting possibilities and fresh perspectives. As we embrace this change in leadership, let's remember that change often brings growth and innovation. We must be open to new ideas and be willing to adapt to the evolving educational landscape. But the theme of a new beginnings goes beyond the administration team. It extends to each and every one of you, our students. As we gather here today, we're presented with a precious gift, a new academic year, a clean slate, a fresh start. As Abraham Lincoln once said, "I do the best I know how, the best I can, and I mean to keep on going till the end." Some of you may be carrying the weight of past successes, and that's wonderful. Those achievements will let you have a foundation that is even greater for more accomplishments in this year. Build upon your strengths, set new goals, and reach even higher. Others among us may feel challenged or have had setbacks in the past. Remember, today is an opportunity for a fresh start. Don't dwell on the past struggles. Instead, view them as lessons learned. Use them to fuel your determination to overcome the obstacles and achieve your goals. With each new day, there comes a chance to mold yourself into who you are truly meant to be. On the journey of new beginnings, we must support one another. Lean on your teachers, your mentors, and friends for guidance and encouragement. Let's enter this academic year with enthusiasm, optimism, and a willingness to embrace change. Let's remember that every day is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to make a difference. This year, let's write a story of success and unity that we can all be proud of. Welcome back, Hun students. Welcome to the year filled with promise, potential, and new beginnings.